This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Kevin Wilson. Adorable and a well-maintained 2-bedroom/1-bath home on a large corner lot. This home features an updated bath, along with vinyl siding, roof and windows that have been replaced in the last 10 years. As a bonus, this home features an additional room that could be a formal dining room or a second living area. Home has been re-plumbed along with new supply line installed to the road. Large backyard has a 2 separate gated fenced-in areas. This home sits just minutes from Ijams Nature Center, Knoxville's urban wilderness trail system, and only 10 minutes from downtown and Market Square. Move-in ready and awaiting a buyer to add their personal touch. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Wilson at 865-687-1111.